Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your content from WordPress to Blogger, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress account. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Tools section in the sidebar. Select Export from the Tools menu. Choose All Content to ensure you transfer everything. Click the Download Export File button. Save the XML file to your computer. Next, log in to your Blogger account. Click on the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down to find the Manage Blog section. Select Import Content. Click on the Choose File button. Locate the XML file you downloaded from WordPress. Select the file and click Open. Check the box to automatically publish your imported posts. Click on the Import button to start the process. Wait for the import to finish. Once complete, check your Blogger dashboard for your imported content. Review each post to ensure all formatting and images are intact. Edit any content as needed to fit Blogger's format and features. Finally, customize your Blogger layout and settings to your preference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.